thank you for joining me once again. So I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks now, but I have been doing some stuff to my car. I just haven't been recording them. I don't know why, it's just, I don't know. So anyway, I thought I'd do one big video. Well, it's not really going to be big, it's going to be quite quick, but one big video on everything what I've done. So we're going to start from inside the car. As you can see, I've got my steering wheel here, which would mean I have a fast steering wheel kit on. So this is actually really cool, really simple to apply, really easy. The only downside I've got is this centerpiece, which is the cruise control. Now I actually think this is quite a rare piece, so I don't really want to get rid of it, but with the fast thingy kit on, I've had to get rid of the cruise control, but I am at the moment trying to figure out all the wiring and everything. I've looked at different designs, you know, all the wiring diagrams and everything, but I just can't seem to get it working on just separate switches, which, as you can see, I've drilled the holes for, so you'd have the accelerate, cancel and set button in there. I've had to put it on the Boss, so obviously when you turn, the things go with it, the buttons go with it. So for the Boss kit, all you have to do is literally pull that, push it on and release, and it's all on. You can just see there. Absolutely brilliant thing, and it only cost me 20 quid, so I'm really happy with it. The horn works, so which is the main thing. And then obviously it's just a reverse, you pull on the blue thing, it comes straight off. And that's it, so nick my car now. So for the next mod, what I've done, we're gonna go outside. You know, I've done my front splitter, but I've also now added some decals to them. Now all the decals I've got, except from the very end ones, I don't know what actually they are, to be honest, but everything except them I've actually got something off. So the AEM, I have got the fuel pump, AEM for fuel pump, and I will soon also have the water methanol kit from AEM. That isn't all. I've also made side steps as well. Alright, so these are actually held on by 2 bolts. You can maybe just see in there, 1 bolt there, and 1 bolt at this side, in there, but with also screws going up into the sill as well, so it's very sturdy. So with these, I've got Bilstein shocks, HKS boost controller, and GK spark plugs, obviously AEM again, and I have a competition clutch, stage 5 competition clutch, 4-puck, which is horrible in traffic but awesome to drive. So yeah, this is actually made not from marine plywood, but it's a 1 down. I can't remember what it's called. So as we go to the side of the car, I've also added a bit of carbon here and there, so door handles, just to make it look like a bit of a race car, a bit. I don't want to go overboard with it. So what else have I done? I've obviously cleaned the car and everything, but I do also have something else I want to show you, which is really cool if we go inside the car. So, alright, so I'll get the key out. If I turn the ignition on, not even turning it on really, I've also got now a new mirror, quite a big mirror as you can see, my hand is there, but also it does the rear camera and the dash cam as well, and the dash cam records as it is doing now, but the rear camera doesn't record, but helps you with reversing and everything. There is a wire which I haven't got connected because of my reverse sensor switch is broken, so it would go to the to that, and it'd actually show you, it's like a reverse camera properly, so it's got like how far away you are from everything. So this is really cool. It only cost me £30, believe it or not, so that is one thing I would actually advise getting, because it is really cool. Alright, so one last thing. if I go to the front, you'll see I've got obviously side lights, but I've gone back to my youth, and you know, I just wanted something when it's standing to be quite, you know, in your face. You know, I really like the purple ones though. They actually go with the studs and everything. So yeah, you control it with one of these. It was just something different what I wanted, you know. You know, for the rear reflectors, which I've changed into lights, I've got on my way some clear ones. I'm going to have the same thing in that. Obviously they'll work together. So that so far is what I've got. I think they're really cool. Look at that. And I'm also going to change all the connectors in here for waterproof ones, because, well, because it's the best thing to do. Yeah, disco. So guys, that is what has been happening. That is what I've got. Change for purple. That is, yeah, that's everything what I've done so far. So you're up to date, you're up to scratch. Yeah, so don't forget, like, subscribe, share, press that bell button on YouTube to get notifications of when I put videos up, because it is an honour to do videos for you guys. It really is. So guys, see you all real soon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Share it so everyone else can see. Plenty more videos to come. See you all later.